Bloomberg Law, February 12, 2024, 3:50 p.m. EST. Death Dealer. Images in Coffee Table Book Infringe Copyrights by Kyle Janner. An art and comic publisher infringed the copyrights of two Death Dealer visual works by artist Frank FRAZETTA by using them in a coffee table book about FRAZETTA works used in 1980s book covers. A Florida federal judge ruled. Vanguard Prods. LLC's use of the images in FRAZETTA book cover art wasn't covered by a prior license for a different book and wasn't fair use, the district judge William F. Young said. The images, used on the covers of two editions in author James Silk's Death Dealer series, took up 2 entire pages and essentially served the same purpose as the originals, the judge said in awarding FRAZETTA Properties LLC summary judgment Friday in the U.S. District Court for the Middle District of Florida. Young's opinion distinguished the case from another coffee table book case in which an appellate court found there was transformative fair use. The U.S. Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit in 2006 blessed the use of 7 Grateful Dead concert posters in colleges on pages that illustrated biographical text about the band. Young wrote that Vanguard's book, however, used full-page photos for the same purpose as FRAZETTA, to showcase the art itself. The order granting of summary judgment on direct infringement noted the parties hadn't submitted evidence or arguments as to damages. Vanguard, created and run by illustrator and art historian Jess David Spurlock, argued it had permission via a 2010 license to use FRAZETTA's work in the definitive FRAZETTA reference. But that covered only one book, distinct from the book at issue, with a different title, author, and topic, meaning it wasn't merely a reprint covered by the license, Young said. The judge also rejected Vanguard's argument that the copyright asserted covered only the original art, which differed from the book covers used. Despite minor changes, they were still substantially copied, Young wrote. And, regardless, FRAZETTA Properties could enforce the original copyrights against derivatives. In Young's fair use analysis, he said the commercial nature of the coffee table book pushed the factor dealing with the nature of the newer work into FRAZETTA Properties' favor. Vanguard's use supplants the object of the protected work, both sealing that factor by rendering it non-transformative and also tipping the factor addressing the new work's effect on the market of the original, he wrote. Merit Law, PA, represents FRAZETTA Properties. Lee McMillan Williams represents Vanguard. The case is FRAZETTA v. Vanguard Prods, LLC, 2024, BL 43636, MD Flaw, number 22, 581, 2-9-24. To contact the reporter on this story, Kyle Janner in Raleigh, NC at kjanner@bloomberglaw.com. To contact the editor responsible for this story, Tanya Moore at timur@bloombergindustry.com.